13 for traditional, and 15 for modern. And for that's for the first 4 kilometers, and for the succeeding kilometers is 1.5 and 1.8 respectively. Now, sa abang monitoring, we conduct actually every day our roadside inspection, roadside monitoring, meaning our team of enforcers, pero wala may daily may mag-conduct roadside monitoring in a specific place because we are not that many. So, on this day, nami sa Cagayan, the other day, nami sa Bukidnon, sa Misamis Occidental, and so on. Garo take me every week. But certainly, the conduct is every day. Now, kung na yung mga nga instances, no, that is actually a case of overcharging of fare, and it's not inflation, it must be overcharging. So we really need the help of the commuting public to apprehend these violators, mga errant drivers, to report it to our office, pwede sa Facebook page, kung pwede po sa mga opisina, and it is advisable na mato sila sa office kay we really summon the errant drivers para mapenaltihan sila of 5,000 pesos for the side overcharging of fare.
Last na lang yun, sir. Pwede ma-clarify or maingon nimo sa ilaha mismo gyud sigikan sa imuha nga kanang ang ilang gibuhat kay mo nga ang ilang magong reason, sir, is that gabi naman good last na nila mong biyahe o daghan ni karga karon or kinahanglan na mo overall mo dako ang pamiliti. Pwede na unsay mong message ani sa ilang, sir, kay barag sumo mo kayo nga kadag bisan kinsa ni si Sheila o kay taga-Tagulban ay ensure na nakatry ni siya ana.
Sa mga drivers, dili yun na siya tama out to reason out na wala na pasahero or gabi na, so to justify their charging of overcharge fare. So kung madakpan sila, penalty yun of 5,000. And kung the same offense, second time 10,000, third time 15,000, plus their franchise may be revoked or suspended kung delinquent, habitual delinquent na, gibalik-balik na yun ang ilang